In this IT industry, which is worth more than 3 billion US dollars today, for you to be able to find a firm footprint, it is very, very important that you are thorough at languages like C, C++, and Java, and you have a thorough understanding of data structures and algorithms. Unless you know these languages and data structures in their truest perspective, you would always find yourself wanting in an interview room or a Viva Voce examination room. I am sure some of you at least must be aware of the importance of these languages and data structures as you build your software career. The latest of latest operating systems like Windows or Linux or Android, all of these are built using these programming languages or a combination of them. And what separates a good program from a bad program is indeed the wrong choice of data structures. So it's very important that you learn these languages very thoroughly and also have a good basis of data structures before you get to enter the first interview room. In Gurukul, what we have done is we have decided to approach learning of these languages and data structures in a slightly different manner. So far you have been learning some of these languages through my books, but this time what I have done is I have recorded several nano videos on these programming languages and data structures, and they would be available to you in Gurukul community. In that sense, I am available to you at the touch of a screen on your smartphone or at press of a button in your laptop or PC. In addition to these nano videos, what we are also going to have under Gurukul is a daily bite section through which I would be able to give to you different programming problems, quizzes, tips and traps as you learn these languages and data structures. Not only that, I would also be available at your beck and call, trying to answer any queries that you come across as you try to learn these languages and data structures. So welcome aboard and happy programming.